Okay guys, this is the view of area in Jollibee. Yeah, we buy a little bit unwind for tonight. Okay, there's a shopping store. There's a restaurant at Victoria Avenue. There's the Jollibee there, Co-op at Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, so we're going back in the city of Esteban. So it's a nice weather today, windy, sunny, and warm, mixing warm. Okay, so before we leaving here, we take some videos for our vlog because we miss end for this with purposes only, not to going to shopping or going strolling. If there's an appointment, a pre-checkup, so that's a good in Canada, Saskatchewan. If you live here in the permanent, pre-checkup, pre-eyewear, pre-surgery, that's the benefits. That's what I like here. A lot of benefits here in Canada. The foods, the clothes, everything, groceries, name it, you take it. Okay, so I'm proud living here more than 9 years, almost 10 years this coming October, so I'm proud. Okay, it's a nice living, hospitalization, education, it's good, it's fun, so no regrets if I'm living here. As long you have a nice job with benefits, everything, that's good. See, lots of privilege, free benefits, not only the company, the government, even your one part-time, full-time only job is enough. You can pay the bills, you can pay the rent, you can buy your food, anything, etc., etc. So we are going now, so just click the bottom left, notification bell, so for new upcoming videos and uploads. Okay guys, please subscribe. Okay guys, see you now.